Bonjour, I'm Louis Paquet, Creative Director at Locomotive in Montreal. Motion design creates movement, excitement, and adds life to otherwise static moments. When it comes to digital environments, it not only creates delight, but also serves a strategic purpose such as brand expression, accessibility, information, and guidance. In this course, you will learn how to integrate motion to your designs with purpose in mind. We will cover topics ranging from micro-interaction to full-screen transitions. We will see how you can integrate motion in your design process and how to animate your websites in After Effects. We will go step by step through the entire process of creating a motion design for your website, starting with importing your design files, animating them, and exporting them for web integration. At the end of this class, you will be able to use motion design to animate with purpose and create delightful experiences.